Welcome back, and this is another demo of a Visual Basic game that I made. Actually, it's not a game, it's a simulator, but it was made in Visual Basic, not in C++. So the Visual Basic is based on BASIC, which is a Microsoft supported language. What you're actually looking at is a model of the atom. Alright, a hydrogen atom. So the red particle is a proton and the green one is an electron. Now, why is the electron bigger than the proton? Well, it's bigger than the proton, but it has less mass. It's actually lighter than the proton. The electron takes up more space. This is scientifically accurate because the electron is more of a wave than a particle, right? So even though here it looks like the electron is bigger than the proton, you have to also remember the electron is a lot lighter. It's a lot lighter than a proton. Okay, the simulation has been paused, so I'm gonna accelerate time. Ooh, that didn't work. Hang on a sec. Oh, now it did. Okay, now you can see I've accelerated time. And the electron, ooh, it spun away. It's spinning around the proton. Okay. Let me just start this again. Okay. Simulation. Create a hydrogen atom. Alright, okay, so here we see the electron is spinning around the proton. Now, why is this so great? I mean, anyone could make a blue circle go around in circles around a red particle, right? What's good, what is amazing about this simulator is that this blue electron is actually calculating its electrical attraction to the red colored proton. This is an actual simulation of electrical charges and their attraction to each other. It is not a scripted movement, right? Scripted movement means you have to tell the blue object to make a circle around the red one. That's not what this is. Every second there are calculations being done between the two particles, and that's why the electron is not perfectly accurate, because there are limitations as to how accurate you can make a simulator be. So it's a little bit inaccurate, as you can see. There are some inefficiencies in the program that I need to fix later. Now, if I was to add some extra objects into the simulation, let's say I want to put more electrons, I can do that also. So you can see now there's another electron, and it's being attracted to the proton, and it just slingshot around it. You can add another electron to try and make things interesting. Electron, or maybe, whoops, no, that shouldn't have happened. Proton, and then maybe another electron. I want to make the electrons and the protons interact with each other in a complex fashion. I believe I can also add neutrons. Neutrons are particles with no electrical charges. So the blue electron is negatively charged, The red one is positively charged, and the yellow neutrons have no charge. So yellow neutrons are only affected by gravity, not by electrical charges. So this is a very good simulator to give you an understanding of how subatomic particles interact with each other. And it could be upgraded to become a virtual wind tunnel. A virtual wind tunnel is just like a wind tunnel, but it's not real. It's simulated in a computer, and it'll allow you to work out the drag coefficient of various 3D shapes in real life. Okay, so I think I'll end the demonstration here.